Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Flipkart app review to see if it worth using. So to get started, in 2025 the Flipkart app remained one of the Indian top e-commerce platform, offering a massive range of products from electronics and fashions to groceries and furniture. It features frequent discount, flash sales, Flipkart Plus reward and multiple payment options like UPI, EMI and cash on delivery. The app is easy to navigate, support detailed product filtering, and provide fast delivery in most urban areas, making it a solid choice for everyday shopping. However, it's not without problem. Users often report delayed or cancelled deliveries, fake products, and poor customer service, especially for high volume items. Return and refund can be slow, and some users encounter glitches or misleading product review. And here's the final intake about this platform. So Flipkart is worth it for affordable day-to-day shopping and fast deals. But be cautioned when offering expensive items. Always check sellers rating and review before purchasing. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the share button and subscribe for more. And that's it.